I would say still do it clear though because with that red. Like I'm still trying to get other things in my life. Like, cause I'm on the ninth. Like, it's kind of.
Fast boy is coming in.
Yeah.
That bitch is nasty. Bigger scooter.
Donuts and shit like that and spots like this, you can't.
Of course, you got the ops. Look at that bitch. Got a holographic Neochrome ZL1. Got the Supra. Hey, dude. All right, Mark. Okay, Marcus. Look at it. Boy be banging gears in that bitch.
Me.
That boy be banging
That shit
gears.
sounded so good when he raced that red out, bro. Cause like I'm not too much of a stats person, but if I would have got the platform of this car, I probably would have just did some cool.
The last video of the night, just got this Chrysler 300 with the, I mean, what would you call this? Like, there's just the roof, the rose theme roof. It's a wrap. Nice.
Well, it might be painted in there.